It's too complicated with the technique. I just stopped the video, so I have to itch myself. Yeah, because it's early in the morning, and I like to stay awake. I'm the early bird. I'm the most early bird that you ever knew. Well, have you ever known? In English, I'm not very familiar with the times. I'm drinking tea. It's really nice. This is yellow tea because I don't want to be pushed like coffee, green tea, pu'er tea, black tea. So nice, but I should keep on holding the mobile phone. This is my living room. That's my livy. So pretty. Oh, you see, it's very spacey. Not spicy, spacey. And how to do that without stopping the video again? I forgot. What the huh?